do a quick little walk around on my mini mill. So first thing is power on time is, you can see, 6,313 hours. Actual spindle time is, probably approaching about half of that. This is a 6K spindle mini mill single phase, which is huge. Extras include the full wireless probing system, so the tool setter and the work probe, the high flow coolant pump, right, so a much bigger, sturdier coolant pump than the stock one. This is all direct from Haas. The convenience package, which is huge, that's these 3 shelves, air nozzle, coolant nozzle. P-Cool, which I think is an absolute must. The programmable coolant nozzle is actually programmed for each tool, so you get optimal coolant placement. And then I got rigid tapping on top of that, so you can do any kind of tapping with form taps or and the such. And let's see,